Hello everyone and welcome to Bubli's World Cuisine. Today I'll share with you a flavorful chili oil recipe. This is Chinese chili oil. Now if you love Chinese food, you must have come across with this item. It makes your dishes so flavorful. Anyways, it's very simple recipe and I'm gonna walk you through, but first let me tell you about the ingredients. Now, for making this chili oil, you must need this item, and this is Sichuan peppers. Now, this is not exactly a pepper, but it's called Sichuan pepper, and it's very flavorful. It has a very nice aroma. I'm gonna use that, and with that, there are some other spices: bay leaf, cardamom, star anise, and cinnamon. Okay, the key ingredient for this recipe is, of course, chili, and we are using chili flakes. Now I need around half a cup of chili flakes, but I'm not going to put all half a cup in here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to leave a little bit of space. Now this is chili flakes and it has seeds and chili skins and it's very hot. But what we want is a little bit of powdered chili. So I'm going to add a teaspoon or a teaspoon and a half of paprika powder here. Now you can use either paprika powder or chili powder. It's not done. We need to grind it. And I'm making a mess here because I'm making more mess than my two and a half year old toddler. Anyways, we want to grind them. What you want to do is just pulse. So when you pulse it, the chili powder and chili flakes will mix together and it will become a coarse powder. That's all you need. It's done now. Add 2 teaspoons of salt to it and then set it aside. I forgot to tape it. Now I'm taking a cup of oil and I'm using peanut oil here. You want to go with a flavorless oil or any oil which has light flavor because we are going to use a whole lot of flavor into it. Let's move to the cooking part. I have pan in the stove and to that I'm adding 1 cup of oil. Now I'm gonna turn the heat to low and on a different pan I'm going to roast the spices. So all spices goes in. I have a big piece of cinnamon here, 4 star anise, 2 bay leaves, 8 cardamoms and 3 tablespoons of Sichuan peppers. Now you want to roast them in low heat and it doesn't take long and you don't even need to stir. I'm just killing my time and because my camera is on so I want to do some shots. Anyways, it takes around couple of minutes to get roasted and once you see that smoke comes out, you know that it's done and you want to remove it from the heat. While I was roasting spices, my oil heated up and it's just warm. It's not boiling because we all know that if it was boiling, once I put the spices, they will get burned. So it's just warm oil. And now you want to turn your heat up to medium and let all these spices simmer in this oil for around 4 to 5 minutes so that this oil can get infused with so many flavors. If you are keeping a track, you'll know that 5 minutes is gone and now I need my sieve. So I'm going to put sieve on top of the chili powder and I'm going to pour in the hot oil. Now you want to sieve out all the spices. We don't need them anymore because all the flavors are infused in oil. And I'm already excited. You want to give it a good stir because we also have salt in it. So you want to mix everything nicely. I like to add a couple of star anise in this oil. I like to leave it there and a little bit of Sichuan pepper. I'm not going to remove them. They will stay inside the jar so that they can keep releasing their flavor. It's just a personal choice. Anyways, now you need a jar and you want to sterilize it because we are storing this chili oil and it stays good for a year. So you can microwave your jar for around 3 minutes and that will do the job. Once jar is sterilized, you can put chili oil in the jar. Now, I forgot to mention that I have added 2 teaspoons of salt with the chili powder. So please excuse me for that. I am very excited that I have made a big batch of chili oil this afternoon. I love this stuff, and you can put it on your rice to flavor it. You can dip your dumplings in it. As I said, if you use paprika powder, it will be mild. If you use chili powder, it will be very hot. Now this is done. You can try it at home. If you come across with any difficulties, you can put your questions on the comment box below. Thank you everyone for watching my video, and now I'm putting a little bit in this small bowl so that I can enjoy it with my dumplings. Take care everyone, and bye.